Good morning, dear students. Miss Shahina here. Let's start with the geography worksheet of chapter number 7, population, and 8, industries. Okay, students, this is our combined worksheet. Let's see very first question. Complete the following sentences. If the birth rate is greater than the death rate, then the population increases. Your answer is increases. If the birth rate is greater than the death rate, then the population increases. Number 2, people of dash age group are included in the productive population. Answer is 15 to 59 age group are included in the productive population. Number 3, the spread of modern technology in society is mostly dependent on dash. Answer is literacy. The spread of modern technology in society is mostly dependent on literacy. Number 4, which factor amongst those mentioned below does not directly impact industrial development? Water, electricity, labor, or air? Answer is air. Which of the following is a small industry? Answer is book binding industry is a small industry. Number 6 is which of the following cities is not an IT center? Answer is Old Delhi. 7. An amount of 2% of the profits have to be utilized for which purpose by industries? Your answer is corporate social responsibility. Is question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the incorrect statements. Number 1. Small and medium industries of a country are harmful to heavy industries. Answer is false. Small and medium industries of a country are not harmful to heavy industries. Number 2 is the level of industrialization is an indicator of the economic development of a country. It is a true statement. Number 3, the aim of the industrial development corporations is to decentralize industrialization. Answer is true. Number 4, corporate social responsibility is compulsory for every industrialist. This statement is false. Corporate social responsibility is not compulsory for every industrialist. Number 5 is the population density of a region can be understood from its area. Your answer is correct. This statement is true. Next, number 6, the quality of population is determined on the basis of literacy. Answer is correct. Number 7, there is an adverse impact on a manpower in the regions of outmigration. This is also a correct statement. 8, great economic prosperity indicates the development of a region. Answer is incorrect. Greater economic prosperity does not indicate the development of a region. Number 9, developing countries have an HDI of 1. This statement is incorrect. Highly developed countries have a value close to 1. Question number 3, prepare a flow chart of essential factor for the location of any industry. See, complete this chart with the essential factor and that are transport, land, labor, capital. In the middle box, you can write industry. Water, power, market, and raw materials. See, students, here is the complete flow chart in front of you. With this, we have completed this combined worksheet of chapter number 7 and 8. Thank you.